Melanie with Bednar's. It's really important to know how much sun your plants will be getting. When we say that plants can take full sun, we mean 6 or more hours of direct sun hitting the plant every day. Part sun means about 4 to 6 hours or so, and when we say shade or part shade, we mean less than 4 hours a day. Most annuals will need some direct sun every day in order to flower. Our store is organized in sections with shade and sun areas, so that should make it easier for you to find what you're looking for, but planting the wrong plants for the wrong sun conditions is one of the main causes of plants not surviving, so it's very important to pay attention to. You can also look for hanging basket tags that show you what sunlight they take. So if you see a hanging basket with a blue tag, those are more for shade, parts half a day or less of sun. The yellow tags are for sun, so 6 hours or more a day. As always, we're here to answer your questions, and we hope to see you in the store soon.